As you know, AI videos are getting crazy views in almost every category. And the news I brought for you today is about building disaster videos. These types of videos are getting millions of views. Just look at this. 23 million views, 26 million views, 27 million views. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make these videos. Let's start. First, we'll go to Google and search for Google Flow. Click on the first website, then click on Create with Flow. After that, click on New Project. I mostly create text to video content. Here you can add prompt. And then here you have to select video. And then you can add how many different videos you want to create. And you can make here 1, 2, 3 or 4 videos at same time with same prompt. Now I already pasted my animation prompt here. Since the comments section usually gets flooded with prompts, I'm giving you a screenshot of the prompt instead. Now I'll click on Create and our video is being generated. And there we go. Our video is ready. And you can see it is generating video, and after finishing, you can watch the video.
It's coming down! Run! Get out of here! Watch out for the bees!
And download for your social media. For more video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel TechPoint.